Hi, good day. For our laboratory meeting today, I would like you to view again the activity on the analysis of the group 5 cations. And I want to remind you that on Friday, I will give a quiz about those which have been discussed in the laboratory, the rules and regulations, the common laboratory apparatus used in analytical chemistry, and this activity on the analysis of group 5 cations. Please be reminded also that you are going to submit your experiment reports on Monday. And please have a hard copy of all the exercises that you have both in the lecture and in the lab. Because as I have said last time, I will be collecting your hard copies 1 week before the major exams. So that would be all as a reminder for today. This is your teacher, Professor Nisitas Ruiz of Holy Name University.